everyone, today's video will keep you on edge as you witness unexpected and shocking accidents, from horrifying collisions to chaotic moments. Join us as we explore just how fragile life on the road can be. Let's get started. Bold hiding move, just a slight speed difference with the truck. What's going to happen here? The kick to the car was like a professional footballer, but what was the result? A red card he brought upon himself. Regis tried to chase the 12 guys, but ended up catching the barricade. An electric vehicle caught fire, possibly due to a faulty battery or continued use without detecting previous damage, highlighting the risks of new energy vehicles. The thief got beaten so badly that he forgot the original goal, like to steal a handbag. The car went the wrong way, like a leader creating an endless chain of accidents. Driving recklessly as if there are no rules, but every mistake comes with a price. angry cement truck charges forward, crushing any obstacles that dare to block its path. Misfortune, there's a blessing. The encounter ends with only a sigh of relief as everyone is safe.
Tumbok ahead.
When haste overtakes reason, the convoy ends up as a pile of wreckage on the road.
Look at Sticky Do.
Putain la vache! Mortel de bordel de mortel de mortel de mortel!
The car rolled like a layered sponge cake, then lay tilted under the sky after the incident.
Speed up! Speed up! No way! No way! Oh, here he comes! Watch out! Look out!
He needs to let off the brakes and let the oh shit.
Shit! Look at the orange one!
And we have another.
Not all supercars have owners who drive safely. High speed caused the Porsche to lose control, claiming the lives of a couple.